China is rolling out measures to unleash consumers' purchasing power in smaller cities and counties as the country continues its post-pandemic economic recovery. Part of the plan includes erecting more digital cinemas and cafes. Local residents say it's great that they don't need to travel so far to catch the latest blockbuster.
Though it is a countryside cinema, the movie-watching experience is just as good as in the city. The quality of the screening and the experience are both excellent.
Other consumption inroads in small cities include electric vehicle sales and infrastructure. A car dealer in Tiananmen City in central China's Hubei province said new electric minivans have been selling quite well in smaller markets for their rugged design and good mileage.
The sales now are very good, a sharp increase of 50 to 60% over previous years.
Booming EV sales are also stimulating business for companies that repair EVs, as well as those who manufacture and install charging infrastructure. Besides encouraging consumption at the county level, additional measures China is taking to boost its economy include attracting more foreign investment. Data from the National Bureau of Statistics shows retail sales of consumer goods in urban and rural areas increased by 7.4% and 8.9% respectively in October.